In last Zoom meeting, we study about maths first, AP, some example solved in practice set 3.4, fourth and fifth examples, and now start the sixth examples about practice set 3.4. Sixth example is on the World Environment Day. Plantation program was arranged on land which is triangular in shape. Trees are planted such that in first row there is one tree, in second row there are two trees, in third row there are three trees, so on. Find the total number of trees in the 25 rows. Means in these plantations, first day we plant one tree, second day there is two tree, third day there is a three tree, and so on. The number of trees increased by one. The number of trees we write, this is a triangular shape. पहिल्या दिवशी एक, दुसऱ्या दिवशी दोन, तिसऱ्या दिवशी तीन, चौथ्या दिवशी चार, अशा पद्धतीनं झाडं लावलेली आहेत. 25व्या दिवशी किती झाडं होतील असं त्यांचं प्रश्न आहे. देअरफॉर द नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज increased by one. Therefore D is equal to 1. There are one tree in first row. There is one tree in first row. Therefore A is equal to 1. This is in AP. This is an AP. This is an AP. There are 25 rows. There are 25 rows. Therefore n is equal to 25. Total number of trees in 25 rows. Total number of trees. Total number of trees in 25 rows. Therefore we use SN formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is Sn formula. Put the value of a, d and n in this formula. N is 25. Yes, 25 is equal to 25 upon 2 into bracket 2 into a. A is 1. Therefore 2 into bracket 1 plus 25 minus 1 into d. D is also 1. Complete the bracket. Yes, 25 is equal to 25 upon 2 into bracket 2 plus 24 into 1. 24 into 1 is 24. Means Sn is equal to 25 upon 2 into bracket 2 plus 24. 2 plus 24 is 26, means Sn is equal to 25 upon 2 into 26, 2 into 1 and 2 into 1 and 2 into 3 is 6. Therefore Sn is equal to 25 into 13. S25 is equal to 13 into 25. 3 × 5 65, 13 दूनी 26 आणि 6 32. 325 total number of trees in 25. Therefore total number of trees, numbers of trees 325. This is the last example in practice set 3.4 and problem set 3. There are some examples also we can solve. The eighth example, the sum of the natural numbers from 1 to n is 36. Find the value of n. जे आपल्याला काय केलेलं आहे, इथं उदाहरण दिलेलं आहे. The sum of the natural numbers from 1 to n is 36. Find the value of n. Means we give Sn is 36. Sum of the natural number from 1 to n is 36. म्हणजे आपल्याला 1 ते n या संख्यांची बेरीज ही 36 दिलेली आहे. We know the difference between consecutive natural number d is 1. These natural numbers, there is d is also 1. Means for this here S36 is given, Sn is given 36. जे पहिल्या n पदांची बेरीज 36 दिलेली आहे. The difference between two natural number is 1. Therefore d is also 1. We use Sn formula. In Sn formula we get Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is Sn formula. N means S30. Sn is given 36. Value of Sn is 36. Therefore we write 36 is equal to n in bracket n upon 2 into bracket value of a is, we know 2a, a is 1, 2 into bracket. इथं काय सांगितलेलं आहे, द सम ऑफ द नॅचरल नंबर फ्रॉम 1 मीन्स a is equal to 1 and d is also 1. 2 into 1 plus n is unknown, n minus 1 into d is also 1. 36 into this 2 is equal to n in bracket 2 plus n minus 1. आता इथं आपल्याला n ने या कंसाला गुणावं लागेल. 72 into bracket n in bracket n plus 1. ह्या दोघाची वजाबाकी जी आहे ती n plus 1 होणार आहे. n into bracket n plus 1. 72 is equal to n square प्लस यन ह्या कंसाला गुणलेलं आहे. आता 72 तिकडं मायनस करायचं आहे. देअरफॉर n स्क्वेअर प्लस n मायनस 72 इज 0. दिस इज क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन्स. 72चे असे अवयव पडायचे त्यांची वजाबाकी 1 आली पाहिजे. फॅक्टर ऑफ 72 इज 9 into 2. तर चिन्ह आपल्याला माहिती आहे इथं मायनस असेल तर हे मोठ्याला द्यायचे. दिस इज प्लस, दिस इज मायनस. देअरफॉर वी राईट दिस इज फॅक्टरायझेशन्स n स्क्वेअर प्लस 9n मायनस 8n मायनस 72 इज 0. तर गट पडायचे आहेत. n इंटू ब्रॅकेट n प्लस 9 मायनस 8 in bracket n plus 9 is 0. In first bracket n plus 9, second bracket n plus 8 is 0. n plus 9 is 0 and also n minus 8 is also 0. n plus 9 is 0. Therefore n plus 9 is equal to 0, or n plus n minus 8 is equal to 0. n is equal to minus 9 and this n is 8. Natural number is not negative. Therefore value of minus 9 is unaccepted. Therefore n is 8. Value of n is 8. The value of n is 8. n is 8. आता नैसर्गिक संख्या ऋण नसते त्यामुळे आपल्याला n ची किंमत वजा 9 घेता येणार नाही. लास्ट एक्झाम्पल, द 1000 इज डिपॉझिटेड ॲट 10% सिम्पल इंटरेस्ट. चेक इफ द इंटरेस्ट अमाउंट ॲट द एंड ऑफ एव्हरी डे इज an AP. इफ धिस इज an AP, then find the amount of interest after 20 years. For this complete the following activity. Activities हे उदाहरण आहे. We know simple interest. Formula of simple interest is equal to P into N into R upon 100. Simple interest after 1 year by 10%. Value of P is 1000 into 10 into 1 upon 100. Therefore put the value of n is 10 and r is 1. There is a cancel of 2 0. 10 into 10 is 100. This is first activity. Simple interest after 2 years is equal to 1000 in simple interest after 2 year is 1000 into 2 into 2. There is a cancel of 2 0. 10 into 10 is 100 into 2 is 200. जे पहिल्या वर्षी 100 येते, दुसऱ्या वर्षी 200 येते. सिम्पल इंटरेस्ट आफ्टर थर्ड इयर is 1000 into 10 into 3. There is a cancel of 2 0. 10 into 10 is 100 into 3 is 300. According to this, simple interest for 4, 5 and 6 year will be 400, 500, 600 respectively. From this AP D's 200 minus 100 is 10. 300 minus 200 is 10. Therefore D is 100 and A is also 100. Amount of simple interest after 20 years, we use Tn formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. T20 value of n is 20. A is 100 plus 20 minus 1 into D is also 100. Therefore 220 is equal to, for these completions we use T20 is equal to 100 plus 20 minus 1, value of 20 minus 1 is 90 into 100. बघा काय झालेले आहे, T20 is equal to 100 plus 90 into 100. T20 is equal to 100 plus 1900. T20 is equal to 200. This is completions of T20 and this activity in problem set 3. Last example is complete the activity. T20 ची किंमत 2000 आलेली आहे. तर राहिलेली उदाहरणं न घेता आता पुढचं प्रकरण पुढच्या तासाला आपण सुरू करणार आहोत. थँक्यू.